Right, Shabafetu, so good news regarding the future of the great Shikapalo. Themba Zwane yena yedwa as Mamelodi Sundowns and Themba Zwane reached a mutual agreement to extend the 36-year-old contract for one more year. Yet again, a 15-year tenure to be made a 16-year spell at Clock for Themba Zwane yabo. Mnake, I thought Themba Zwane this was his last season at Mamelodi Sundowns, honestly speaking, but I guess this extension has got to do with nothing more than passion, love, loyalty and longevity at the club for Themba Zwane yabo leyo, because he has won each and every title available for Mamelodi Sundowns repetitively, so yabo leyo. So andiboni ukuthi khona into ashota ngayo uThemba Zwane for Mamelodi Sundowns, because he's done incredibly so well at Mamelodi Sundowns. Otherwise, if inyawo zisasekhona naye uZwane wayishiya, if inyawo zisasekhona then why not continue, why not retire at Mamelodi Sundowns yayibona leyo nto, and I guess that is about to unfold soon.